Oh, hi there. My name is Agi Mooy. I live in the beautiful Port Stephens of New South Wales, and I'm a registered clinical hypnotherapist. And I had the privilege, absolute privilege, last month to do a short course with Kerre Burley. And the name of the course was Ignite Your Speaking Journey. Now, this course, there was so much packed into it. It was fun. It was interactive. I learnt so many things. Whatever we do, whether we're with a person one-on-one or whether we're in a group situation or whether we aspire to get onto stage and share all of our offerings and then beyond, get onto stage and be paid to be a speaker. That blew my mind because that was never something that I had truly considered. But having left this course, I am considering, goodness, being paid to share your passion and to share everything that you want to share with the world is incredible. And of course, for me personally, for years I've been saying I'd like to start a podcast, and 2026 is the year. And even with that, even when you're behind a microphone, your speaker's journey is just so important. I learned how to stand. I learned how to read a room. I've never considered asking a question to a room to start with to be able to read who is in the room. I thought that was amazing information. I've really taken that on board, and I can't wait till I get up on stage again to be able to do that, then to be able to offer the presentation that serves the most people in the room, and to be able to scan the room is really important as well. Sometimes we stand or we take this stance on stage and we focus in on one person, and maybe that was something I heard before, but now I know that not to be true. To be able to scan the room is really important. To be able to put, even we got up in that short course and we actually had, I don't know, about 5 minutes to put together, if that, to put together something that we would like to speak about that we were already really comfortable in to the rest of the room. And it just blew my mind that I didn't in the beginning even know what I was going to talk about. But when I got up there, it just flowed. It just flowed. And we were marked at the end of it. It was in a friendly situation. And I always take criticism or useful information on board. It has enabled me, I believe, to grow as a person. I really want to thank Kerre. It was a post-course. It was after a conference. I'm so glad I invested into myself. But I really want to thank Kerre for the opportunity. And again, it's something that I would like to explore further. It also gives you really the leading edge if you want to join any of those groups. I'm talking about Toastmasters, or you may not even have that opportunity to do that. By doing Kerre's Ignite Your Speaking Journey, you really can probably get more, I would think, by doing that course, whether it's online or face-to-face, than any other group that you could join. I truly learnt so much. And thank you again, Kerre. It was absolutely fantastic.